Hello, I'm Eduardo Cruz. My work background is pretty much just manufacturing jobs, U-Haul. I didn't have many jobs to begin with. Probably say like 3 or 4 jobs before taking this course. Just working, daily job, DECA East Pan, local. Everybody knows what that is pretty much. Just doing that, um, and then I got introduced to the program, obviously, because I know George personally. Um, and then I seen the benefits of learning real estate and stuff like that, so I decided to take the leap and join the program. I'd say seeing how George learned things and his accomplishments and stuff like that really drove me to learn from him. Um, and I feel like there's a lot to be learned, and there's definitely a lot to be learned in this program. It's not just go be a realtor type thing. It's definitely a lot of platforms you can stand and get your own, I'd say, your own thing you're good at in real estate. It's not all just go show houses and this and that. There's definitely a lot of knowledge to be learned. It's been great, a lot of information. Um, Definitely everyone's at their own pace. It's not like you have to start and just go buy a house, this and that. It's like you learn at your own pace, and there's different um, tools you can use, like uh, the different websites to look up houses, stuff like that. So um, it's a lot of learning, um, and I'd say I still haven't fully implemented what I've learned, just because I like to move at my own pace. It's good. They always once you give them information where like, all right, you're setting this goal for yourself, they're definitely gonna get back to you, make sure you're doing that. Um, and any questions you have, they're always there to help. No question is a dumb question. It's just you seeking knowledge, pretty much. And yeah, it's a good team to be with. Oh, because everyone's always willing to help you. There's a lot of knowledge that you don't just get out. You can Google things, but there's experiences everyone in the course or even in the classes that they've been through that you wouldn't know if you just go and go Google something. Um, so it's definitely a lot of personal ability with people, a lot of things you learn from every individual in the program or teaching or learning from the program.